Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around this Kawasaki ER6-F. As you can see, comes with the full luggage there, along with heated grips on top. So I'll go around the bike. If there's any blemishes or anything I want to flag up, I'll make you aware. But we'll start down here at the forks. A couple of wee stone chips, but nothing major. Dunlop tyres in the front and the back, and plenty of life left in the pads and the discs here as well. Try and see it. We've got the upgraded screen on here, not upgraded smoke screen, which is quite nice. Bodywork wise, around the side, a couple of small scrapes there, but nothing major. The rest of the bike's looking pretty good. No rips and tears in the seat. Full cap of luggage all round. And as I mentioned, a Dunlop tyre on the rear here. Coming round to this side. Chain and sprockets are in good condition. Scuffs there just where your boots are sitting. There's a couple of little, I think, kind of stone chips. Not entirely sure what's happened there, but a couple of small little scratches there, and then a couple here. But overall, the condition of the bike is in pretty good nick. So coming up to the front, we've got your controls here. So you've got your Oxford heated grips and a little gear indicator there as well. Let me get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. Let me get the bike started up for you here. Now, I'm just going to let the bike warm up. Whilst I do that, I'll just confirm everything else is working. So we'll start with the indicators here. You've got your standard running light, and the full beam there as well. How it works. Oxford heated grips, if you've never used them before, really user friendly. So you've an up and a down. You've got basically 30, 40, 50, all the way up to 100. Push up, get up to 100, and you can just drop it down a little increments. Gear indicators are really clever, so just in case you think you're in your top gear, say in the motorway, and you maybe got a lot of extra gear to go, you'll be notified by that. And other than that, the bike's really easy to control, so give it a few revs, you can hear how she sounds. Revs up to 1100 RPM. There we have it, Kawasaki ER6F. Any questions you've got with the bike, please let me know. Cheers.